Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface dies within just 10 minutes of being unplugged, you're likely dealing with a failing battery. This can happen due to wear and tear over time, especially if you've been using your device for several years. If left unrepaired, this issue can become progressively worse, preventing you from using your Surface effectively. To fix this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Torx screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement battery specifically for the Surface Pro 5. First, ensure your Surface is powered off completely before beginning the repair. Start by gently inserting the plastic opening tool into the gap between the screen and the casing. Carefully work your way around the edges to release the clips holding the device together. Once you have the casing open, you'll see the battery located on the right side. It's the component that's swollen or discolored. Be cautious as you disconnect the battery cable. Gently pull it out using your tweezers. Now, you can carefully lift the old battery out of its slot. When inserting the new battery, align it properly and connect the cable securely. Remember to apply even pressure and avoid forcing any components, as this could damage nearby parts. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the new battery is in place and connected, carefully reassemble the casing by pressing the clips back into position. Double-check that everything is secure before powering on your Surface to ensure it's functioning correctly. To prevent this problem from recurring, regularly check your battery health through the device settings. Avoid letting your battery drain completely on a regular basis, and try to charge it when it gets low rather than letting it deplete fully. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.